Welcome to the future of earning and social media growth, where AI and automation take center stage. Imagine a world where you can focus on your creativity and strategy while intelligent tools handle the repetitive and time-consuming tasks. This is not just a dream. It's the reality of AI and automation. AI, or artificial intelligence, is transforming how we approach digital marketing and online business. With AI-driven algorithms, you can analyze vast amounts of data to uncover trends and insights that were previously unimaginable. This means you can create content that resonates with your audience, optimize your marketing campaigns, and target the right demographics with pinpoint accuracy. Automation complements AI by taking over routine tasks that would otherwise consume your valuable time. From scheduling social media posts to responding to comments and even managing customer support, automation tools ensure that your online presence is active and engaging 24/7. This constant interaction not only boosts your social media growth but also builds trust and loyalty with your audience. But how do you get started with AI and automation? First, identify the areas of your business that can benefit the most. Is it content creation, customer engagement, or data analysis? Next, explore the wide range of tools available. Platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer can automate your social media scheduling, while chatbots like ManyChat can handle customer inquiries in real time. For deeper analytics, tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush use AI to provide actionable insights. Integrating AI and automation is an ongoing process. As you implement these tools, regularly assess their performance and make adjustments to ensure they align with your goals. The key is to start small, perhaps with automating your social media posts, and gradually incorporate more complex AI-driven solutions. In conclusion, AI and automation are not just buzzwords. They are powerful tools that can revolutionize your earnings and social media growth. By leveraging these technologies, you can work smarter, not harder, and achieve results that were once thought impossible. Embrace AI and automation today, and watch your online business soar to new heights.